Okay, back to filming here. Getting the second tile on. The critical one. All right, here we go. Almost. Woohoo! Almost. It's got to still go a bit. Oh, I think you're still hooked on a bit. Can you get her to go a bit, or? Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. It's squished out nice. Right on. Oops, I should be filming this. Awesome. Yeehaw! You're still hooked up, I think. Are ya? Oh, there you go. Hooray! It's a miracle. Yippee! It's skill, yeah, it's skill, that's right. All right, my new buddy Randy, hooray! Okay, so, oh fuck. Just double checking here. Yeah, it looks pretty damn good. Looking pretty damn good. Freaking awesome. Oh, he put the tape around it and all. Yeah, look at that. He's already all over it. Pretty awesome. Wow. Look at that water fill up in there. Holy crap. Holy crap, is that ever filling up? Oh, hey. Oh, I see. You're going to put it separate. Yeah, I get it. Oh, sorry. I should be up there. Sorry about that, Randy. I'm not being a very good help, am I?
That's all right. You're the film producer.
Yeah, the film producer, yeah. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, guys. My filming here is not so great. I've been pointing at the ground when I should be pointing at what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm going to shrink this down. There we go. Ah, it's coming at me. Here we go. So hopefully this is all I'm going to need. That would be awesome, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to need one extra tile to do this. A little bit of dirt on there don't hurt, eh? Alrighty. Beautiful. Thing of beauty. Almost. A little more. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's like doesn't want to go on just yet. Might have to give it a bump with a bucket, I guess, eh? That one's disconnected. You're good. Right on. Alrighty. Oh, it's on there, isn't it, eh? But what's that?
The other side's sitting up. I don't know. This side looks good.
But it looks like it's shifted. You can see the edge there. It looks like it's kind of shifted that way a touch.
That way?
No. I mean, the whole thing on it looks like it's...
Oh, the whole well.
Yeah, the whole... No, I mean, this one connected to that one. You see it? Well, even that one's shifted a bit, but I don't know. I don't know. It's got to be in there. Here we go. Hang on. That's pretty good there. I don't mind it actually being a bit of an angle because when I put my ladder in, it'll make it easier. No, I don't want to. I don't want the leaning. I don't want the leaning tower of Pisa. But you know, yeah, I could go that way a touch.
Right.
Yeah. That looks pretty good. I think you leveled it out by doing that this way too, right? That looks pretty damn good. I mean, I don't think that's going to make that big a difference. Oh yeah, you could see it. You could see it. It could definitely go. It could definitely go that way, right? But whatever.
That way?
It could, but I mean, I don't care.
You can push it wherever you want now.
Well, yeah, I'm just.
If we get it that way, then I'm going to take the shovel and just cave some of this in.
That's what I mean.
There, right?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
if you find a shovel,
Yeah. Want me to get a shovel?
yeah, just so I can push some stuff down the side.
Right. Oh, you want me to get my own hand shovel? You mean, or what? You want me to get a shovel, or what?
Yeah, I want you to get me a shovel.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, gotcha. I'll go grab one. Jeez, I thought he meant he was gonna use his machine. Alrighty, grabbing a shovel. Oh crap! I know where one is. I think I know where one is. Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go now. I'll keep filming a little bit later because I'm gonna grab a couple of things and I can't exactly drive and film at the same time unless I have a handheld device, machine thingy bobber. Okay, guys, till the next video. I hope you're enjoying that. Thumbs up again if you love it. If you don't, thumbs up anyways. Okay, see you next time. Bye.